The fourth session of peace talk of Syria under UN auspices began in Geneva today. Palestinians look ahead to positive US role under President-elect Biden. Joe Biden declared winner after recount of votes in Wisconsin state. In Yemen, 7 people have been killed and 15 others injured during indiscriminate shelling by Houthi rebels in a residential area of Hodeidah city. The United Nations-mediated talks on drafting a new constitution for Syria began in Geneva on Monday. In India, thousands of farmers protesting against agriculture reform have rejected conditional talks offer of the Modi government. Pakistan ambassador to Canada Raza Bashir Tarar has said Pakistan and Canada enjoy cordial relations. Northeast Nigeria attack climate at least 110 lives, says UN.